Living with severe white discharge brings chronic physical exhaustion, severe back pain, and a feeling that your body is being slowly hollowed out from the inside. The symptoms ripple outward. You might notice your head feeling constantly heavy, sudden bouts of dizziness, or a deep, persistent ache in your calf muscles that makes it difficult to even stand. Because of the shame surrounding leukorrhea, countless women endure these symptoms in total silence. If you are actively looking for a solution, you've already taken a courageous and necessary step toward your own recovery. To fix this, we have to look at the root cause. This condition is primarily a bacterial infection, often stemming from compromised hygiene. Once you correct the environment allowing the bacteria to thrive, you can resolve the issue entirely from your own home. You will need 4 basic items to begin this protocol: clean, sterile sanitary materials, high-quality amla powder, pure honey, and fresh yogurt. If you have access to it, fresh coconut water will complete the list. Taking painkillers for the backache or resting through the fatigue will not stop the cycle. We have to systematically neutralize the bacteria causing the discharge to halt the drain on your body and restore your lost energy. Step 1 is neutralizing the external bacterial environment. The vaginal area is highly sensitive, and without strict cleanliness, it becomes a breeding ground for yeast infections and candidiases. Your first line of defense during your menstrual cycle is upgrading your hygiene practices. Whenever possible, use fresh, standard sanitary pads to ensure the material coming into contact with your skin is absolutely sterile. Many women, especially in rural areas, rely on reusable cloths instead of manufactured pads. This is a practical alternative, provided you understand that improper handling of that cloth is the leading cause of recurring infections. A simple rinse under the tap is unacceptable. Reusable cloths require a rigorous sterilization process. They must be aggressively washed with detergent and then fully boiled in hot water to kill off deeply embedded bacteria. After boiling, the cloth must be completely dried in direct sunlight. Once in use, you need to change it frequently throughout the day to prevent moisture buildup. This chart breaks down the exact cycle you must follow. Notice the emphasis on the boiling phase. Without establishing this strict hygiene baseline, any dietary or medicinal remedy you take internally will fail, because the external bacteria will simply reinfect the area. With the external environment secured, step 2 is introducing an Ayurvedic intervention to fight the infection internally. The preparation is simple and precise. Take exactly 1 teaspoon of amla powder and mix it thoroughly with 1 teaspoon of pure honey until it forms a thick paste. You need to consume this mixture twice a day, once in the morning and once in the evening. Take your time with it, slowly licking the paste rather than swallowing it all at once. Amla contains a massive concentration of vitamin C. When ingested this way, it acts as a direct antibacterial agent, actively breaking down the internal infection causing the discharge. This exact combination of amla and honey rapidly restores cellular energy, reversing the physical deterioration and weakness leukorrhea forces onto your body. Masking the discomfort is a temporary fix. This dual action mechanism starves the harmful bacteria while simultaneously rebuilding your depleted physical stamina. Step 3 involves fortifying your daily meals to support a healthy internal microbiome. You must add exactly half a bowl of fresh yogurt, or dahi, to your regular daily diet, ideally eating it alongside your standard meals. Yogurt serves a very specific functional role here. It introduces a dense population of beneficial bacteria into your digestive and immune systems, which actively compete with and suppress the bacteria producing the white discharge. Finally, if it is available to you, drink fresh coconut water daily. This promotes deep internal hydration and creates a cooling effect that accelerates tissue healing. By incorporating yogurt and coconut water into your routine, you cultivate an internal bodily environment where harmful infection-causing bacteria simply cannot survive. Now that we've covered the protocol, we need to establish a clear boundary for when home steps are sufficient and when you need to escalate to professional medical care. Look at these 4 warning signs: foul odor, severe itching, burning urination, or a urinary tract infection. If present, pause the home remedy. You require targeted medical treatment, available by contacting Sannyasi Ayurveda directly. However, if you do not have those severe symptoms, you can proceed with the 4 pillars: strict pad or cloth sterilization, the amla honey paste twice daily, yogurt with your meals, and coconut water. Sticking to this routine reverses the damage. Instead of feeling fragile like termite-eaten wood ready to break under pressure, you will feel the return of dense bone strength and consistent, vibrant energy. Leukorrhea is a persistent problem, but it has a definitive solution. By taking immediate, disciplined action on these foundational hygiene and dietary steps, you can permanently neutralize the root cause and fully reclaim your health.